Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you all here. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vicsontech. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, today I'll be teaching us how to install fonts into our PixelLab. Over time, I've realized that many graphic designers do not know how to install fonts into their PixelLab, while some do not know that it is possible for you to install fonts into your PixelLab. And this particular challenge has restricted many graphic designers from creating visually compelling designs. There is something I want us to know about fonts. Fonts are peculiar, and due to the peculiarity of certain fonts, not every font is used for every design. Take for instance your church flyer. Look at this particular church flyer. Look at the font I used for this design. It is quite different from the font you use for your birthday flyers. Take a look at this birthday flyer. Look at the font I use for this particular design. You see, knowing this will enable you to create good designs, and also it will distinguish you from other designers in this industry. Now, this is the first thing I want you to do. Open your Play Store, search for ZArchiver. Okay, it's already here. Okay, I know some of you might be saying, why are we downloading this application? The very reason why we are downloading this application is because it enables you as a graphic designer to extract zip files. Now, what are zip files? A zip file is a compressed file format that stores one or more files together in a single archive. And the name of this application is called what? ZArchiver. Now, the reason why files are zipped, or the reason why files come in zip form, is so as to maintain the arrangement of those files inside the zip form, so that when extracted they will remain organized before you start making use of any of the files in the zip form. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's now extract our files. Okay, before you extract any of your file, you will need to download them. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be downloading fonts because this video is focused on how to install fonts into your PixelLab. So go to any of your browser, go to or search for www.dafont.com. Okay, it has popped up. Now let's download this font here. Chilling. Just click on download. Click on this icon. Click on it. Now you've downloaded it. Go to your file manager. Click on the download icon. We want to search for the file we just downloaded. Open it. It's here. Look at the file. Beautiful. It's already in my phone. Now, there's something I want to teach you guys. Please pay close attention, because if you fail to understand what I'm about to say, you will find it difficult to install fonts into your PixelLab. Click on all files, go to internal storage. I want you to create a folder called fonts. I've already created one here, which you all can see. Create this particular folder. Now, inside this folder, I want you to create another folder called my font. Hope you can see it. Beautiful. This is my font. Now go to download. Open it. I want to move this particular file into that file I've already created called my font. So let's move it now. Now this is the folder, my font. Click on move. Now we've moved it. As you can see, it's no longer here. So let's go and search for it. Open the internal storage. Go to my font. Click on my font. Now let's search for that particular font. Just follow me. I have so many fonts in my phone. Now look at that font we just downloaded. Chilling. Beautiful. Now follow me. Let's go to that application we downloaded, ZArchiver. Launch it. Now the moment you launch this application, this is what you are going to see, which is the interface of the application. One beautiful thing about this application is that it has the ability to capture all the folders in your phone. So search for font. Now this is font, that folder we created. Open it. Now click on my font. Open it. Now search for that file, that particular font we downloaded. Look at it, chilling. I found it. Now let's extract it. Sorry, just click on it. Click on extract here. It has extracted it. Look at it. This is the extracted file. With the help of ZArchiver, we have successfully extracted the file from the zipped file. Hope you understand. Now let's check if we can find this font on our PixelLab. Launch your PixelLab. Now go to your font. Beautiful. Click on my fonts. You see that folder we just created, my font. Hope you can see it, my font. Search for chilling. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Hope you can see what I'm seeing. It has successfully installed this font into your PixelLab. So this is how we install fonts into our PixelLab. In case you have been finding it difficult, in case it has been a challenge for you, this is how you can go about it. This is how you can install font into your PixelLab. There's another thing I want to show us. See, fonts are very important. You see, one thing about font is that it affects the reaction of your audience, and it also determines how your design will come out or how your design will look like after you are done designing. Take for instance this flyer. The theme of this flyer is called Hard Truths. Look at the font I used for this flyer. You could see that I used a peculiar font for this flyer due to the theme of this flyer. So always pay attention to the font you are using for your designs. It is very important because it can either mar or make your design or the output of your design. Don't worry, subsequently I'll be dropping videos on the major and the minor things that we have ignored as graphic designers. If you found this video helpful and educative, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vicsontech.